Ladies and gentlemen, this is Calvin's Kitchen from Barbados. Mark Norwood. Hey everybody. And today we're gonna learn how to make. What are we making? This is our chef for the day, my friend Loraine, and she's gonna show us how to make authentic Bayesian peas and rice. So all right, let's go, y'all.
Stop it. Them have to watch it cause when you bless, everybody sing. When you bless, let me hear you sing. When you bless, nobody can stop it. Them have to watch God, goodness and mercy. Every day it's a follow me. That's right. Everybody that first me.
The thyme, the herbs that we normally use.
Yes.
To give it good flavor. Okay, so
is it a special kind of rice?
No.
Is it? I can use regular rice?
Yeah. This is it. So you put on the water.
So you didn't even measure. You already know how much.
I like the average. I am not measuring.
Yeah.
Person, you know? So
Yeah. Well, you've been doing it, so you know how much already.
So you're gonna wash the rice and the paste normally goes in like almost when the rice will finish because you don't have to boil the peas. If it's peas that you have to boil, you put it in first.
Okay. But if it's already like in a can, if it's prepared, you can do it when it's almost done, when the rice is almost done.
Yeah. So then you wash the rice. Yeah, you put the rice in.
So it doesn't. You say it doesn't matter if you do it when it's boiled or.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
And your average salt, or like that average salt. So you put the onions and
That's time.
that is Barbados time, yeah. I put some onion. So Mark is a chef.
Mark is a chef, and he's a wonderful baker. He cooks a whole lot of stuff, but
I like to bake it.
everybody asks him for cakes every time. He said, I have to charge because everybody asking for free
This is
cakes.
the problem I have normally. I don't see people all year, but Christmas Day, people that I don't see all year, they turn up paper cake.
Yeah.
That day. Christmas Day, yeah.
You have to tell them way in advance. Say, put your order in. Right? Don't you tell them to put
It's
the.
mostly just be like friends.
Well, those are the ones. They should, if they're your friend, they should be on time and pay you. I know. See, she's like me. I'm nice. See, Mark, you gonna charge, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm retired.
I'm retired. You need the retirement money.
Yeah. So you can put in a little pepper, a little seasoning, like a Bajan seasoning, or I like to do my own seasoning thing.
What's Bayesian? Is it just you say Bayesian seasoning?
Yeah, the one that I sent you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. Is it in a container? Oh, this right here, the jar. Huh. Gotcha. And what is that? That's this.
Yeah, some of that.
And then you mix other stuff.
Yeah, different herbs and onion and garlic and stuff. So.
Oh. Now, do you grow? So you grow your own, or you just buy?
Yeah, or sometimes my boss has a set of peas, so I just get it.
Now, look, you didn't use a lot of that pepper. Is that strong or something?
Yeah.
Now, what kind of pepper was that? Just you recognize that pepper, Mark?
That's a fresh pepper. It's called a fresh pepper. I'm not sure about the name. I'm not too familiar with the name. Yeah, so you can put a spoon of butter. I'll bless this way. So we'll let that cook for a while, like 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
And you open the piece, put it in.
All right.
And you taste it to make sure you get enough salt, but I don't really like measure. I don't measure anything. So this is the piece. I wash it out because I don't like the salt and stuff inside.
Okay. See what that looks like. Give me a spoon.
So Mark, you understand what's going on.
Yes.
You just dump everything inside and put a little butter, it will give it flavor, a little salt to give it flavor.
Yeah.
You know? It's simple. It's kind of spicy. Let's see how we get down. You know what some people do too? Some people like just fry up the peas with the butter inside first with onion and stuff, and then put in water And when you boil it, you put in the rice. But by then the peas get too soft. I like when I eat peas and rice because I just chew the peas, you know?
Right.
The peas. That's what I like.
You don't want the peas too soft.
No.
Oh, that's nice.
It's finished now. But you guys gonna take it home with you guys with all the food we're gonna do. Because that's a lot of food.
I definitely want some. Everybody makes plantain. So, but you know what's interesting is that you're using olive oil. I know you can use any kind of oil, but
It's hard, you know?
yeah.
Okay, it's very simple.
See, this is why. See, the olive oil has a higher burning point.
Yeah.
See how it's? Oh, but that's hot quick. I like how you slicing it in those long.
Gravy. You want to fry some fish?
You just feel like you like cooking.
I never complained.
Now you don't put anything. You just keep it natural. You don't add salt, pepper, nothing.
If you want to do that when you're eating, that's okay.
Okay. She used the olive oil, so it got hot quicker, and it's already brown.
Right.
Because you're darker than me.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Still alive.
Oh.
Poor baby. We're gonna have to put you in.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Come on, you can turn.
He's a.
He's the chef. He's the chef.
This is very, very kind. Very kind of you. So you don't put it on a, I guess you don't have to, but like a paper towel to, you
Yes, you can.
can if you want. Right. Good job, Mark.
You guys have a salad, look.
Your son is a genius because you've been feeding him all of this good food all of these years. Both of them, I'm sure, are doing well.
Eggs and rice, Chef Loraine, and plantain. Yeah.
You need some hot sauce?
Yes, please. I love hot sauce. But with hot sauce. Mmm,
Nice.
delicious.
So it's so simple, right?
Yes, yes.
Well, it's simple for you.
I mean, you can just put anything inside and just make sure
Yeah.
you get good flavor. This is flavor, is it?
Right.
Mmm.
Don't worry about a thing.
Don't forget the hot sauce.
We're gonna be alright.
Hot
Don't
sauce.
worry about a thing. Every little bit. Come to somebody's house and drop in the hot sauce. That's still hot sauce all over the place. Here we go. Look at this.
Living our best life.
Living our best life.
More abundantly.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that excellent?
That's great. Now, we don't do touristy stuff. We shoot cooking programs at people's houses with the good for the countries. That hot sauce is good,
It is.
and it's not like super burning out.
Right. It's kicking just right.
Uh-huh.
Hitting just right. Plantain? Yeah.
Excellent job. Thank you.
You guys will have more rice and stuff.
We will. I am. I'm about to eat some.
When you bless, nobody can stop it. Them have to watch.